Welcome to 20 Skybird Court here in the Ridges. We're in Summerlin, just west of Las Vegas. Obviously, it is snowing. It's snowing pretty hard and very rare in Las Vegas, maybe 2 or 3 times a year. And what we're gonna be touring is this beautiful home. It's 5 beds, 6 baths, just under 6,500 square foot, listed for 5.5 million. There's a lot of upgrades in there. There's so much to show you. You're going to be amazed of what we're gonna show you. So let's go in and check out this house. Entering from the front entrance, you got these beautiful iron doors with the frosted glass, and then you have tile flooring. This is about 35 feet up, and then you have those chandeliers, and then this is the stairway to go up. We're gonna head towards the kitchen, and we have a formal dining area. You got your stacking doors out to a covered patio out there. Wine cooler that's climate controlled. And look at this. Look at these pivot doors. It's amazing. Another feature is that the climate control, the AC unit is outside at the side of the house. So right now, do you hear anything? Right? You don't hear anything. Above the ceiling, you have the acoustic panels so that there is no echo when you're having a bunch of people here and everything. But we'll come back to this section in a bit. I just want to show you guys this kitchen first, right? So built-in fridge here, brand new Wolf cooktop appliances. And then you have your marble countertop, one piece. This is all one piece. Then you have your quartz around, more Wolf appliances, dual dishwasher over there. You got your sink over there, beautiful chandelier. This house is amazing, and there's so much more to show you. Wallpaper over here in the dining area. Beautiful chandelier, round table. This is pretty much your breakfast area. And as we're circling around, you have access to the backyard, which is another amazing feature that we'll talk about in a bit. So we're gonna head back into the family area. Of course, you got the tile flooring, carpet. This fireplace, you see the white brick. If you remember, we talked about the wine area. It's the same kind of brick, painted white. And then no echo because you have those acoustic panels up here and throughout that area as well. So backyard with the stacking doors all the way open. We'll go out there in a little bit. You have your bar area with the same matching marble. And of course, you got your sink. And then your pocket doors for entertainment. So you got more pivot doors right here. And as I was talking about, that brick that they painted white back there. So now we're heading back to the front entrance of the home. This is the study, your office. Again, same type of wallpaper, just different color, so everything flows, okay? Big window up here, and then all these doors, they match throughout the house. So that's awesome. So before the primary bedroom, we're gonna go upstairs first. So let's go check it out. Now we're upstairs, super high ceilings, more matching wallpaper throughout. Creates a great accent wall, huge loft area for more privacy, entertainment, stuff like that. Now we're gonna come over here. We have gym area. You got hardwood. There's a nice balcony back here. They added the fireplace. You got the TV for entertainment. So you got some countertops, quartz, you know, shaker, cabinetry. Beautiful. So next to the gym, after you work out, you come here and get a massage, right? So lots of windows, a lot of natural light. Again, these doors are matching from downstairs, front door, everything. So we're gonna head over to the west wing. You have your laundry room. This is one of 3 laundry rooms. And then you have 2 bedrooms, both of them with bathrooms and everything. So wallpaper matching, a lot of natural lighting. You can close those, open those, you know, and then you have your upgraded bathroom. Love the tile, everything that they're using here. And then we head back over here to this other bedroom. This is on the northwest side facing. So you have more windows over here. Of course, you have your walk-in closet and quartz countertop, and of course, tile shower with all of them with like glass doors, glass windows. So we head over to the south end, another bedroom here, server room over there. And then, of course, same thing. Every bedroom has their own walk-in closet and bathroom with shower. And of course, it's all the same. Okay, before we head back downstairs, we have another powder room up here. And got your own Toto urinal that's censored, right? Let's go downstairs. All right, so coming back downstairs, we're gonna head over to the east wing, which is where the primary bedroom is. Also 14-foot high ceilings. We're gonna switch from the tile into the hardwood flooring. Beautiful bedroom. You have your fireplace, and then you have your stone with the matching wallpaper that we have out there as well. So now we go into the primary bathroom. Beautiful quartz countertop. You got the white countertop with the dark cabinet, and then more wallpaper. You have your tub over there. And then your shower with all marble, the matching marble that we have out in the kitchen as well. We have the rain shower, tile, all matching. Beautiful tile design here on the jet tub. And then you have, you know, could be a bench, more countertop space, hang your towels when you come out of the shower or the bathtub. So walk-in closet this way, you got the bathroom with the bidet, and then you have another urinal over here. And here is the closet. You have countertop, drawers, fully built in, lots of space. All right, so now we're back out to the family room area. This little hallway, there's a powder room over there. You got another bathroom there. And now we're gonna go out to the garage. And then after that, we're going to check out that beautiful backyard. You don't wanna miss that. All right, now we're out here in the garage, 4-car garage. There's actually 3 doors. Epoxy flooring down here, the gray with the black and white flakes. I wouldn't do any other color. This is my thing right here. So we'll head over to the other side of the garage, and we're gonna head outside. So we're gonna head over to this side of the garage. If you didn't notice, LiftMaster garage doors upgraded. They're all the way in the top on the side, and they auto lock as well, so you can kind of lift up. A lot of storage space. You have your AC condenser right over there, and then more storage space over there. Now we're gonna head to the backyard and check out the basketball court. All right, I'm gonna try to make this shot, but you know, with this jacket and everything. All right, now we're done having a little bit fun. Back to work. You know, you got tile exterior, you know, the white stone. Now we're in the bar area, outdoor kitchen. We got TV, you have heaters, a fan for the summer. This is a beautiful stone up here. Love the design. So, outdoor kitchen, now we have the pool. I mentioned this in my other videos before. Clark County has a new law in place. All new pools, no larger 600 square foot. This pool, 10 foot deep. You have your fire features to come up. Of course, you have all these, the water features. And for the kids or adults, for some fun, you got that beautiful slide. Now you have this large spa, you know, it's edgeless, water flows over. Love the white tile they use. You could fit 10, 15 people over there. Turf. And then now we go under the patio area. More ceiling fan. And then here is the open entertainment bar area that we talked about earlier with the stone, matching stone from the kitchen. There's so many features to talk about here, but you know, we're kind of limited on time. We don't want the video to be too long, but more stacking doors. Going back into the formal dining room, you have another access over there to the primary bedroom. Nice and warm in here. Summertime, you have a fan. Wintertime, you have this fire pit right here to hang out. So this is the end of the tour. Hope you enjoyed this home as much as I did. If you have any questions or have interest, know anyone interested, please reach out to me, Dallas Tung at kwvegas.com, and then 702-686-1668. And don't forget to like and subscribe my content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. As you can see, it's snowing. It is literally snowing right now, but we're still gonna make this video. One more.